During a recent raid at the Maukarwat market area for the illegal sale of liquor, the Seng Samlashnong Maukarwat, under the leadership of its president Kitbor Singh Lingdo and accompanied by Vice President Shembor W. Nongrum and Secretary Village Defence Party Maukarwat Dramatis Thongni, were able to recover 240 litres of local liquor and 92 bottles of foreign liquor. The president of the Seng Samla Maukarwat, Kitbor Singh Lingdo, said that as youth leaders, their main objective is to uproot all kinds of social evils that are harmful to individuals and cause insecurity amongst residents of the area. Kitbor Singh Lingdo, while warning the public on the illegal sale of liquor, asserted that the Dorbar Shnong would take action as per rules and regulations in the form of punishment and fines against such illegal activities.
Man la kapor ngi ya ka jing jelai jong kini kam be an po kayo Maukarwat don po kasnong ka jongi ka jing di kiat pathare kenti kisengkin ka jing di kiat kat bamon wat hadin bunsin bangila mana ngila batha ngila kerpat do ikibreu kiba wan di kiat be an po snong ka jongi po kayo don po kasnong ka jongi makim dai shu ban le ikini ki chat kam makin ki kam entang maki kita ya ka imlang salang henrai ki kita ru ya kini ki nong di buat melaban ong makin mi king satu king sathem hadin makin ki breu kelak buat satu sathem bat latete bekerja ki dinja ki baharukom ba penjenjar ya kasnong kathau bat penjak burom ru ya kasnong kathau sementara akan step mi kem kat ne ki kiat kat ne ki jingdi balong ki jingdi be an na kalian jok seng samla snong bat jong ka BDP ngila bat nang ni sakmat nang ngai terus tom bat nginam island yanu ru ba kinlek kat bamon ya kasnong ka jongi bat ya kayo ka jongi ada kwa banlek kini kambean lek halak hakisnong ki jongpi ada kisha henry pot snong Maukarwat nang ni sakmat nginam ai lisu bat kane kamdai bangi nyon ben lan bangi lek ben yano henry kadai namar bangi kwa ban penduk jat ya kini ki jing sneu mo namar baling baju ka kiat praktik undang kamban batai kimi sibun ki jing sneu bat pensong seiru ya kini snong ki jongi ki basyong kini ki jakah ne po yau wadi kinong didukan ki kentai ki kena bat ngit skam baling ba ka jing trilang jongi paro aku igesingi kita sanggup tu bat ngai ka jing maham ka bating ya kinong dikiat sengau bah wat nom wan syu ban dikiat hang ne po snong jongi ha po snong Maukarwat.